I'm Trsum from Paano. And today, in Maldives, in the evening, crabs come out. Today, we are going to make one of those crabs. Means a crab. And today, and Papa is going to follow me.
Yes, I am going to follow Parikshit.
Yes.
So let's start making
The crab.
crab. Okay.
First, we make a proper round circle.
Okay. We made a proper round circle.
And do like this.
Okay.
And also, I'm trying to make my best crab ever. Why am I making it so big? Now this. I'm not following me.
Yes, I'm following you. Next. Okay. What do we do next?
We make a little eye
Eyes. How do we make the eyes?
like that.
You have to make it smiling or crying.
Smiling.
Hmm?
Obviously smiling. It is too happy.
I did a mistake. I
What?
should have done it like this.
What? How? What are we doing like that? The same size.
Yeah, I connected all of them. Now let's color it quickly with
Only red.
only red color.
Yes.
Crab is not of red color.
Yes, it's obviously.
No,
There are green also.
white color crabs.
There are green also.
Most of them are white color,
And skin also.
but we are coloring it red so that it looks beautiful.
Do you know what is the spelling of beautiful?
No, I don't.
Do you know what is the spelling of flower?
Paki. Should I say?
Yes, sir.
Who is Paki?
You.
You know, guys, Parikshit's friends call him Paki.
No, they call me the.
What a funny name! And you know what do I call him?
Wow.
Should I tell him?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
About you.
No. No.
Okay.
My papa calls me Anju.
I call him.
No. You're not. Papa, you made such a small one. That is wrong.
Paki is done drawing his crab.
No, I am going to call this crab Johnny.
The Paki crab.
No, the Johnny crab.
Okay, now what do we do next?
Did you love the drawing? And see, this is my drawing. And this is my papa's
So
drawing.
this time Packy's drawing is better.
Yeah, not until
Okay, now
and do like